The Asus Zenbook S13 has been generating a lot of interest lately, and many people have been saying that it is as good, if not better, than the MacBook Air at just 6,999 dirhams, roughly about $1,900. So is it worth the hype? I've been lucky enough to get the Asus Zenbook S13 to review for a few days, and I'm quite excited to see how this actually performs. But anyways, let's just jump right in. Right out of the box is this long rectangular container, and it contains a charger and an electricity cable. Asus actually left us with a dongle that has 3 ports in: a USB Type-C port, an HDMI port, and a USB port. It's actually quite nice of Asus to include the dongle within the price, something that I was definitely not expecting. Moving on is the actual box that houses the Asus Zenbook S13, and it looks quite amazing. It's designed incredibly well, and I love the blue color. Very calming and semi-futuristic. Okay, let's just open this up now. Alright, opening up, that's really cool. So the laptop actually rises as you open the box. It's like it's presenting itself to you. And I'll be honest, it makes me feel kind of special. Now I'm loving the look and feel of this laptop, like the aluminum chassis, like the concentric circles and the bluish silver color, which I believe like they call Utopia Blue. It's just something that, aesthetically speaking, checks all the boxes for me. Alright, let's check out the sides. On one side of the laptop, you have 2 fast-charging USB Type-C ports, and on the other side, you actually have a USB port. Very convenient, especially for those people who actually work and use USB cables. At least we don't have to go buy dongles now. Here's another cool feature: when you open up the laptop, the keyboard rises up, making it ergonomically better for the user. The keys are a bit raised too, and typing should feel quite comfortable. So the Asus Zenbook has a 13.9-inch screen, but it's almost bezel-less. Like the bezel at the top is about 3.6 millimeters, and at the sides it's 2.5 millimeters. And here's the other cool feature about the Zenbook that I really like. The little tab that you use at the top to open up the laptop, that's where the camera is, so there's no notch. This basically means that there's a lot more real estate for the screen, and it can help you with your work and watch movies too. It's like you're using virtually almost all the space on that screen. So just to wrap things up for now, for 6,999 dirhams, you're basically getting a 13.9-inch laptop that weighs about 1.1 kilograms. It's about 12.9 millimeters thin, equipped with an 8th generation Intel Core i9 processor, an NVIDIA GeForce MX 150 with 16 GB of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. On paper, this certainly is turning out to be one of my favorite laptops. I'm going to try this for the week, and once I'm done, I'll upload a full review. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.